What is organic traffic and how can you make money with it? That is what I'm going to talk about in this video. And if you for any reason haven't subscribed yet to my channel, to make sure you don't miss out on any money making tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. So now let's get into it. Organic traffic has nothing to do with paid traffic. It's a way of free traffic that you create through content creation, and when you have ranked your content very well in the search results through search and optimizing your content, then you can get this organic traffic, free traffic, but can also be called organic search traffic. It means that if you have ranked your content, for instance, on your blog or in articles well for your social keywords, and people enter those keywords into the search engine, for instance, at Google, and find your content, well, then you have created this organic traffic. And yes, it's a free strategy to make money, but you gotta lead with value and not be desperate to share links and stuff like that, although you should share your recommendations of different products you use and so on, of course. But you got to lead with value, share a lot of value, and teach your readers plenty of things that you have researched or already know. And by doing this and consistently doing this, you can generate leads and sales. But this is not something you get rich overnight from, but it works if you are consistent with writing this content, valuable content, and keep on putting out your content out there and rank it well every time. Then yes, organic traffic can bring you some free traffic and in a way free money. Below this video I have put a link to a free ebook on 10 of the best kept secrets when it comes to free strategies on generating traffic. Thanks for watching, appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.